Hello, guys! So
nandito kami rin sa aming hostel. Kasi nandito kami sa Taiwan.
Yes.
So ang aming after meal review is Taiwan edition.
Pero Japanese food pa din as usual. It's Sukiya.
Kasi first time namin actually nakakain sa Sukiya.
Meron naman din sa Philippines, pero
never tried it.
Even
kasi,
when we went to Japan, hindi namin siya tinry.
Kasi sa yung sa Pilipinas, sana yung ako nakikita puro gyudon. Hindi ako makain gyudon.
Some kind of beef.
Na ganun. I don't like it.
Gusto niya yung mga beef niya, mga steak. Ganyan.
Yes.
Yayamanin. So, how do we? So, what did we order? So, as usual, lalagay ko lang somewhere there.
Ang aking in-order.
Here. Yan, dyan. Basta kung saan man.
Ang aking in-order ay, yakitori.
Flamed grill.
Chicken.
Pero in short, ginrill lang na chicken.
Ano lang talaga.
As in, chicken bone a la carte, yes. Tinanong ko nga siya kung gusto niya ikawin niya. And I ordered unagi, of course, with beef, with gyudon. Unagi with gyudon. So, how's your flame grill?
Oh, it was good. I really liked it.
That's enough din yung kanin.
Oo. Pasakto lang talaga para sa isang tao.
Sa akin, yung unagi nila, it tastes a bit different, pero masarap. Tsaka, siguro hindi premium yung ginamit nila na unagi. Kasi mura lang eh. 269 lang with beef na.
39.
269. Basta yun. 200 plus with Taiwan dollars. So, that's around 400 to 500 pesos. Pero, if you think about it, super mura nun. So, I think yung ginamit nilang unagi is not like the premium quality na you would get sa Japan, yung kinain namin last time. But, it's good. Talagang unagi siya. Hindi tulad nung nakain namin sa isang sushi bar dyan, ay sa Manila na. At sushi marami, yung unagi na parang joke lang na unagi. Pero, ayun, hindi na ako nakamove on sa party yarn. But it's good. Yes, it's very good.
So, yes, it's quite nice.
So, dalawa kami.
Ang ordering system nila usually pag siguro restaurants is QR
code. Siguro dito sa Taiwan ganun. Kasi di ba yung isa pang in-order kinainan natin?
Doon sa Raminagi.
Raminagi o yun. Ano din? Yun, which is we have a review as well. We'll post that. It probably would be posted before this. Order via QR din. So,
easier.
Yes.
Hindi naman kailangan
salita, language barrier. But overall, it's good. Tapos yung ambience, syempre, Japanese. Japanese song.
It's nice. Japanese song.
Tapos, once you order, dun lang nga sa app, or yung website. Tapos, once
payment
it's
sa cashier.
Done, sir, pwede deliver sa'yo. Payment sa cashier. That's it.
That's nice.
Even drinks, you can order dun sa website nila eh. So, overall, it's
much better.
It's quite good actually.
Well, less interaction, especially for foreigners.
Tama. Kaya siguro ganun din yung ginawa nila. Siyempre doon kasi with images na, with English translation, quote-unquote. Imagine mo yung yakitori, flame grill, pak. Yes. So, okay siya. Yung tapos dito sa Sukiya dito, hindi ko alam kung ganun din kasi sa Philippines, may option ka to upgrade yung meal mo to, So, siguro yung kanin din yun parang sa
siguro
ito kokoichi. I can upgrade the rice and all that. Kasi sa akin hindi ko na upgrade dahil nga may gyudon na. Tapos pinakain ko rin yung junakis ko. So actually enough yung kanin naman. Sapat naman siya. So
yung pinakamadali yung in-order ko, 139.
Alam, tumutulo. Anyways, si Sukiya, it's not gonna be a constant kasi hindi siya mahilig sa mga gyudon. Yung Sukiya sa Philippines, usually gyudons.
Pero hindi pa namin talaga na-explore yung actual menu.
But most likely ganun siya.
So, yeah.
But we'll eat it every now and then. Wala namang masama.
We'll check.
Ito naman ang chickens ko.
We will check.
Pangit kasi na ang gulo mo eh.
Ay, puta na nakakapagod eh.
But yeah.
That is all.
That's our after meal review.
Diba? 4 minutes lang.
But it's good. Promise. It's nice naman.
We'll try.
Yep. So, bye for now. Bye-bye.